bumalik na sa bahay ang housemates.
Happy na yung katawan ko. Dalawa na.
Oh my God.
Nag-chill tayo.
Ramdam pa rin ng housemates ang tamis ng tagumpay.
Sarap, no? Sabi pa naman, pakasarap. Mahina po yung pain tolerance ko eh. Nakaya ko po palang tiisin yung mga ganun sakit. Basta kaya naman at may dedicated ka sa ginagawa mo po, kuya.
Yes! Galing mo, Jane kanina. Congrats.
I was happy because I thought I couldn't do it. I thought about giving up, but I held on. I overcame some of my fears.
Can we rest now?
You have to eat first. I think, yeah.
Pero si Kisses, feel na feel pa rin ang pagiging cheerleader.
Pinay, ikaw ay Pinay. Ibagin ko sa mundo. Pinay tayo.
Masayang-masaya rin sila Tanner na nag-uusap sa garden.
And then once it was down to the score night, I was like, okay, we're like done. We're gonna go one of these nights. And then I throw everyone back in this house. And I was like, kind of just not wanting to do anything. But after the first week, I'm happy again.
There's no other people I would want.
Yeah.
I wouldn't swap out anybody here. I don't want the dream team to
Let's go, dream team.
This group, I love this group. Being able to do the whole routine and doing what we learned in 3 days and putting it all together, just feels like we're a team now.
Pero pagbalik nila sa living room, isang pamilyar na tunog ang kanilang narinig.
ganun siya mo. Oh. Ay, nomination.
Hindi na yan mag-ibig. Bakit ka nag-create ng dream team na group kung bababas-bawasan mo na?
Pwede ka doon ang kwentuhan natin.
Hindi, pag
walang warning.
Dream Team, maganda para sa inyong kaunang-unahang nominasyon.
Sa gitna ng kanilang pagbubuklod, sino nga ba ang pipiliin ng housemates na palabasin ng bahay?
Binibigyan ko po ng 2 points dahil kapag nagsalita siya ng prangka, masakit.
Nahihirapan po kami kilalanin siya.
Na-feel ko po na linoko po niya kami, mga housemates.
At sino nga ba ang masasalba sa pinatinding Ligtas Challenge ni Kuya? Lahat ng yan bukas sa first nomination night ng Pinoy Big Brother Lucky Season